Here is a discussion topic viewed from the perspective of a student, and I'm going to click reply. The tool for using Arc Video is this little plug tool, and when you click it for the first time it will probably say something like view all, and then you can look for Studio, which is right here. In the future you would only need to click that plug and Studio should appear in the menu. So you can record a video using Studio, and here is a possible webcam capture that you can record, and you see that there's a mic and there's a webcam and you can start recording. Or you can add a previously recorded video. So if you have a video on your computer that needs to be uploaded, then you can select it and put it into the choose open, and then it will upload, as you can see right here. And it will take a moment for the video to process. So you see these three oscillating dots, and then the video itself will process in just a moment. You can see the wheel that tells you that there's a processing going on. And then eventually it will appear. You can select it, and if you want to allow comments you can, or turn off. I don't know what your instructor has instructed you to do. Click embed and then click post reply, and that video is now embedded into the reply to the discussion topic.